Welcome back to my channel, Maniacal S10 Shopping Garage. How's everyone doing? Okay, today I'll show you how I sharpen lawnmower blade, or riding lawnmower blade, as long as it's the blade. Some use this, not take the blade off. I don't. I just do it on my bench grinder, fine stone. You just need to sharpen, put an edge on it, or the coarse stone, you got to take some nicks out of it, and then go back to the fine to finish up. Now, let's get this turned around and show you the equipment. Get you the levelest spot you can find on your workbench or wherever you do your work at. And that's an old school lawnmower blade leveler, or blade leveler. Now, since my lawnmowers have this type of setup, this part here does not fit on the leveler like it should. So, get your washer. Find which one of the level landings you need. Get the washer to fit. If you don't drop it like I just did. It happens. And put it on. That makes like an adapter. And get it as centered as you possibly can. Like so. These two holes goes on studs on the plate on the shaft for the lawnmower. At least a push mower. And that's how that's done. But get it as level as you can. Okay, let's get to sharpening this. Oh, and by the way, take a look. See which end you're going to need to take the weight off of. It's going to take some time, more than likely, so be prepared. Whichever end of the lawnmower blade is up in the air, take it off the lower end to bring her up level. So let's get started here. So you can, hopefully I don't get in the way and you can see this. All right. First of all, safety. Goggles if necessary. Now let's get this started. Okay, even professionally done, I don't believe it could be done any better. Look how level she is. Oh, yes indeed. Sweet. And once again, center that the best that you can. You've got it. And as level as you can before you start this. And by the way, the torque on the bolt, 30 to 55 pounds. I go mine at 40. Good enough for me. It's always worked. 30 to 55, I go 40. So that's all for now, everyone. So be safe this spring and summer. Mowing the grass, sharpening the blades. Safety first and foremost. And catch you on the next video. Like and subscribe. And thanks to all my followers and my views. Have a great one, y'all. Have a safe summer. Oh, P.S. on this. Google or your instruction manual for your particular mower may have a different torque setting. But I looked mine up for a push mower on Google and 30 to 55. And like I said, I do 40. Just a heads up, just in case. Oh, and by the way, give me a second here. Oops, let me get this turned around. handy dandy 3/8 torque wrench and 5/8 6-point or 12, or you do it with a 1/2 inch torque wrench. And I set mine at 40 pounds, straight up 40. Okay, everyone, that's all. So, like I said, safety first and foremost. Have a safe summer, spring and summer, and cut the grass and be safe. Keep the wrenches turning and easy on the knuckles. Be safe, everyone. Thanks. Bye.